What are we doing today, Suzelle? We're gonna make something crafty and wonderful. It is a fun day today. Today we're gonna do something great. T is for tote bags. That is why we're gonna make some eco-friendly fun today. Let's go. Let's make some vegetable print shopping bags. Some coarse lettuce, chop it. That's our first print we're gonna make. Second print, a lemon. Third one, an apple. Pop some cardboard into your tote bag. Dab, dab, dab. Be quite generous with the paint, guys. Are you ready? Like stunning roses. Oh, and you thought lettuce was just for salads. There's it. So gorgeous. Let's get a bit zesty with our next shopping bag. On we go. Cute. I'm using fabric paint, but you can use any acrylic paint if you like. I've cut a tiny little leaf out of an eraser. Oh, now I'm finished. This is really with a piece of resistance, this one. I've used an apple for this next bag. P.S. This would make a nice gift for a teacher. Stunning. Jokes, don't eat it. Let's upcycle a t-shirt into a tote bag. You will need a t-shirt, some masking tape. I'm gonna make a stunning design on my t-shirt like this. Be creative and crafty, guys. I've put a little spray nozzle on this bottle of Jik. Go very, very lightly, guys, and careful of your own clothes. Now for the reveal. No way. Look at how cool it is gonna look. Wow. We're gonna cut off sleeves first. The neck.
And now we're going to cut some little tassels all the way along the bottom.
Take the top strings and tie them to the bottom strings. I'm just gonna do it once all the way over. Then I'm gonna double knot them. There's it. Upcycle t-shirt tote bag. Let's upcycle some plastic bags. Save the oceans, guys. Please. We're gonna pop our plastic bags over the edge of the ironing board. Now for some baking paper and iron your plastic bags. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area. Slide it off, turn it over. I'm gonna make a fun little plastic collage on this side. Cut some shapes. This is a nice way to use up all your funny little pieces of plastic. Baking paper is important, guys, because you don't want the plastic to stick to your iron. I'm fusing away. Now we do the edges. Once it feels nice and flat, you know that you're ready to go. Oh, that's nicely fused. Now let's neaten up the edges. Now we're gonna make some incisions. And I'm gonna go through both sides. Let's take the cord.
Blowtorch your fraying ends. Thread the cord through the little gaps.
Ta-da! There's it. DIY, because anybody can go totally nuts with tote bags. This is my favorite. Comme de garçon bag is what I call it.